Hey y'all, welcome back. Today we're going to be checking out the Cathay Pacific Lounge at London Heathrow. The lounge is located in Terminal 3, it's Lounge C, and it's next to Gate 11. To gain access into the lounge, you need to be flying first or business class with either Cathay Pacific or another One World carrier. We got in with our American Airlines business class boarding pass. You can also get in via airline status. The full description on Cathay Pacific's entry guide will be in the description box down below. For this lounge review, we will just be checking out the business class section of the lounge. In this section, you'll find a selection of hot and cold food items. You'll find alcoholic and non-alcoholic beverages, and you will find the iconic Cathay Pacific noodle bar. This is why we're here, by the way. You also have Wi-Fi and workstations available, and then there's also additional features such as luggage storage, newspapers and magazines, washrooms, and most importantly, shower facilities. Now let's go check out the lounge. This is the main dining area right across from the noodle bar. This part of the lounge is where you'll find a water tap, coffee machine, teas, and pre-made food. You will also find a few refrigerators stocked with sodas and tonic waters. There was so much food that I only had one of these meatballs, but these were also really good. This lounge also has great views. There's huge glass windows that run the length of the lounge, and they've placed comfortable chairs and tables so you can sit and relax and enjoy some food while watching the busy, chaotic London Heathrow tarmac. This is a perfect spot to catch a cool time lapse. Towards the back of the lounge is another pretty big seating area and a huge bar. The bar is not self-served. As you can see, no one was here now, but they noticed me really quick and they were really friendly and polite, and they will make you any drink that you like. Towards the front of the lounge where the noodle bar's at, there's another huge dining area. Now let's check out this iconic noodle bar. Once you order, they give you a cool buzzer to let you know when your food's ready, so you don't have to stand up at the bar the whole time waiting for your food. I took it back to our seats that were overlooking the tarmac and enjoyed some champagne while I waited. While we waited for our food to be ready, I went to go check out the other food offerings and found this amazing looking chicken curry. So naturally I had to get some. And boy, it was phenomenal. Going back to the table for a minute, you'll notice if you pull it out slightly, you'll find a charging station where you'll find your universal outlet and 2 USB chargers. This came in perfect. While the buzzer's going off, let's check out what we ordered. We ordered almost every item they had to offer. We couldn't figure out what we wanted, so the staff back there suggested we get everything. It was pretty cool. The lounge was really empty, so they didn't really mind. This goes back to exceptional staff. This lounge staff was awesome. Some of the best lounge staff I've ever come across. Because I have literally no self-control, I decided to go find some dessert after eating all that food. To this day, I don't know why I did this. I came across these 2 little cupcake-like, kind of semi-sweet cakes, and one of the lounge staff made me a mocktail that they called Cathay Delight. It was a kiwi fruit base with coconut milk and a touch of fresh mint. It was pretty cool. It was creamy and almost smoothie-like. It was a good way to end a meal. Like I said before, the lounge staff here was amazing. Our time at the lounge is slowly and sadly coming to an end, so let's go check out the showers and the restroom facilities. I absolutely love taking showers before long international flights. It really makes the journey that much better. As most lounges, to access the showers, you just need to go up front so they can give you the key to open it up. These are all private suites. This is the main restroom, and it's also really nice and very big. So my concluding thought for the Cathay Pacific Lounge in London Heathrow and Terminal 3 is it's freaking awesome. This lounge has everything that you'd want. It has nice shower facilities so you can freshen up, plenty of places to sit, great tarmac views, and the food here is awesome. I could seriously eat here every day. The food was that good. The Cathay Pacific Noodle Bar was as advertised. I was thoroughly impressed with it. There's also a huge selection of drinks, both alcoholic and non-alcoholic. There's honestly anything you could want. And like I said probably 1,000 times before in this video, the staff here was truly amazing. They made the experience really nice. I really appreciated that. And now it's time for the usual ending. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. If you hated it and thought it sucked, give it a thumbs down. If you want to see more content like this, hit the subscribe button. And if you want to leave me a note on what I did wrong, what you liked, or what you'd like to see in the future, leave that down in the comment section below. All right, man. Till next time, y'all.